This is Diane, and I'm here to show you today how to use the large hoop design with the original quilty magnets in it. There's 9 of the 12 original designs. So let's take a look at how we do this. So the first color is going to be the placement line for all of the quilty blocks that you can do in this design. If you're going to use batting, then you'll want to lay your batting down over that placement line and then do the tack down and then trim your batting close to that tack down stitch. After that, you'll lay your background fabric over your entire hoop, and we're going to tack that down around each square. And after that, we're going to start doing the detail, and we're doing the detail column by column, just so you know where everything's going. Every single color is separated out so that you don't have, like I don't have a red in one block close to a red in another block, and that's so that you can change every single color as you go. If you're not going to change your color between one block and another, you just hit the go button again. That makes it pretty easy. So after we get all of the designs done in each of the blocks, then we start to do the envelope closure. So let me just back up a color. So this is the end of the blocks. Then the next color is to do the tick marks for the first column's envelope closure. So you're going to cut one piece of fabric that is a little longer than these blocks are, and about 4 inches wide. Fold it in half, wrong sides together, press it. You'll make 3 of those. You'll make 6 of those, actually. Let me see, 2, 4, 6. Yeah, you'll make 6 of those pieces, and you'll put the fold right between those tick marks, and then you'll stitch the tack down. And you don't trim at this point. You'll just leave the tack down there, and then it'll do the second column. So you'll always be doing the envelope closure in the same direction for each of the columns, and it'll do the tack down after each of your column placements. After that, we'll go back to the first column and we'll put the other side of the envelope closure on. So you'll put your fabric in this direction. This is a bit of a small space, so you might need to trim after you're done this so that it doesn't overlap. I think it'll be fine, but you'll be able to just put a rotary cutter through here. Even if the envelope closure comes over to this side, you should be fine. And then so we'll do that tack down, and then we'll do the second column, and then we'll do the placement line and the tack down for the final column. And then the very last color is to do the final go around on all of it. So it just gives it a little extra oomph all the way around the envelope closure, sealing that up nicely. And then you're going to take a rotary cutter and cut your blocks up. You're going to unhoop and then cut. I like to cut mine inside this stitch line, so I'm hoping you can see my cursor okay. On the inside of the seam is where I like to go, but not too close, because you need enough to be able to press it nicely, but you don't want a ton of bulk in there. And then I was able to find magnets on Amazon that I really liked. They were a lot stronger than the 3/4 inch magnets. They are 1 1/8 in diameter, and they're 1/8 inch thick. And when I put those magnets inside the quilty magnet envelope closure, it was really strong and could hold a piece of paper or two easily. I think I had a piece of paper folded twice, so there was 4 layers of paper, and I really liked that, as I wanted these to be functional. So the 3/4 inch ceramic magnets just weren't strong enough for how I wanted to use these. They're great for just using them as decorations, but if you wanted them to be service type magnets, then maybe go for a stronger one. I will give you a link to where I bought them, and you can make a choice for yourself. So I hope you have fun stitching these, and thank you so much for your support and your kind feedback and all of that. So there will be magnet sets in the future. I'm loving that you guys have so many great ideas of how to do these for kids and school teachers and all of that. So we'll have some more designs coming your way in this size here. So I hope you like them, and just let me know what your thoughts are. I love hearing from you. Thanks so much, and have a great day. Happy stitching, and may your bobbin always be full.